Alright, what's up guys? I am back for another Steelbook unboxing video. And yeah, haven't done one of those in a long time. But today, I just got my copy of Mortal Kombat Legends Battle of the Realms, which is the sequel to the Mortal Kombat Legends Scorpion's Revenge, which came out, I do believe it was 2020, around January or February 2020. Oops, give me a second there. I'm just gonna get it started there. So yeah, I was not the biggest of fans of the first one. Now, really, like, don't get me wrong, it was a solid movie. It's extremely stylish, very stylish. The blood and gore was awesome, very on point for a Mortal Kombat movie, which is something, of course, we can all appreciate. But it does get a little repetitive after a while, which I don't mean to sound like I'm complaining. I did enjoy the movie, so don't get me wrong. It's a very stylish. The animation kind of reminded me of those old Superman cartoons, which is by no means a bad thing. But let me show you some of the inside artwork a little bit there. It's nice. And I will pop the disc, show you what that looks like underneath. Awesome. So I know this came out a couple days ago already, but I just got my Steelbook copy, so that's pretty much it. You know how I usually do these videos, I just like to show you the Steelbook, show you what it looks like so you get an idea of if you want to go ahead and buy it. And but yeah, definitely cool. I'm a big Mortal Kombat fan, so I had to pick this one up, and I look forward to checking it out, seeing how it continues from the previous one. Alright guys, let me know in the comments below if you've already seen it. Did you love it? And did you like the previous one, Scorpion's Revenge? What would you like to see next, maybe? Let me know, all of that. And as always, take care guys. I'll see you very soon for some more videos. I have a ton of videos coming up, a lot of skits and parodies, and you know, a lot of Michael Myers stuff, obviously, and with Halloween coming up very soon, so all kinds of stuff, always horror related. And as always, take care guys. I will see you very soon. Peace.